3 items, thousands of possibilities. Today we have spinach, rigatoni, and sausage. And we're going to make creamy sausage rigatoni with spinach. Stay tuned. Let's get going. Every ingredient you have has thousands of possibilities. Today we're going to show you what you can do with spinach, Italian sausage, and rigatoni. Plus we have other ingredients. This is just one example. This is to give you an idea. Let's go. Let's start off with our Italian sausage. We're going to take the skin off. Peel that down. You can leave it whole, but we're going to take the skin off, just in pieces over here. Turn our fire on. Start off with a very low heat and add our Italian sausage. Bit by bit, scramble up in there. We're going to cook this down with all the rest of the ingredients. Let me get this cleaned up, wash my hands off. We're going to put a little oil in here. Right now we want our heat very low. We don't want to burn this. As you notice, I'm cooking on a butane stove. Butane cooks hotter than gas. Onions, slice those up. Put these in there. We have some garlic. We'll put the garlic aside. We'll add that at the very last minute because we do not want it to burn. We have some ham we already cut up. Why not? Ham in. Have a mushroom. Mushroom goes in. A red pepper. The smell of the red pepper gives it a great crisp over here. Stir the item up. You can see the ingredients in the pan. Pan is on very low heat still. Next, we're going to add some butter. Our pasta water that we kept when we cooked the pasta in. Always keep your pasta water. It's full of starch, it's full of flavor. It's a good thickening, and it's a good base for your items. Stir those up. Next, we're going to put in the spinach. The spinach will cook down and reduce quickly. Like I say all the time, you can do all kinds of things you want to. There's no set rules. When you're cooking at home for yourself, you can do anything you want to. You can build, you can substitute chicken or beef or pork or tofu. Choice totally up to you. Let's let this spinach wilt down. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Great smell to it. Pretty good color too. Fresh ingredients. Got some tomato paste that we'll add a little later. Along with our rigatoni, our chicken tomato base, Knorr. I love the Knorr base right there. That's about it. This comes together very quick. It's very simple. Something you can do at home very fast. There it is, cooking down. Now we're going to add our garlic. About 4 cloves of garlic. Stir these up. You want the garlic to be fragrant. You want the garlic to be fragrant when it comes in there. We're also going to add 3 pieces of Munster cheese to make it a cheese sauce to make it grillability. But it'll come together pretty soon. Just throw in our chicken base. We're going to throw in a little pasta water. So we can thin this down, and we're going to kick up our heat a little bit. Heat goes up. Oh my God, this has an amazing smell to it. See that cooking? Here comes our half and half. About a cup. We'll let this reduce down. Get thick as it cooks. Half and half and heavy cream have a higher fat content. Make a big difference. Adding a little tomato paste. Mix that in there. Good red color. We're going to let this cook down a little bit. Let it thicken up. Let's add our Munster cheese. These are slices I had. Just put these in there. Let them melt down. Rigatoni in there. Turn the fire down. Turn the fire off. And there is our creamy sausage rigatoni pasta with spinach. Enough for 2 people. There she goes. This entire item here is very inexpensive. Use the ingredients what you have on hand. Thick, creamy, delicious. Fire off. Little cracked black pepper. There you go. Finished product. We'll come back and try this, and I'll let you know how it is. Well, that was it. Our rigatoni sausage, creamy spinach. I think I've pronounced this thing like 6 times differently. Anyway, here it goes. The part I'm trying to make, we started out with 3 ingredients, and we came up with this. You can start out with ingredients and go anywhere you want to with them. Let's try this, see how it is. This is really creamy. We got the rigatoni in there. We have little bits of red pepper in there, spinach. All looks very, very good. Let's give this a try and see how it is. And try rigatoni with the sausage. Where's the sausage at? Rigatoni with the sausage. There you go. That is a great bite, great mouthfeel. The half and half adds a great taste. Got a little piece of garlic bread. Sop a little bit of this in there. Oh, good stuff. You can pair this with a salad. You can pair it with a side vegetable or anything else. But here we go. Very good. If you enjoyed this, if you learned anything, if you like what we're doing, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss an episode, and we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less.